Oh, bright day again every morning. So today we are going for a wildlife encounter. Touch some snakes and some gliders, I think. Not too sure what they have. Then later on we are going for flying fox. So now we're going to see whether the bird feeding is operating already. We're going to show you the bird feeding. The bird feeding is free. You just have to buy the seeds from the cafe or from the gift shop. Then use the seeds that you bought, and then all the birds will just fly on you. So let's go. So the birds here are really friendly. You can see they just fly all over you. You see, really nice, really friendly. Are you feeding them now? Are you feeding them already? Oh my god, Birdman! Look at the amount of birds he have on his body, Birdman. Say hi, guys. Say hi, look. Oh my, they're all here. There's a lot. There's a lot of them. Ah, be careful. Wow, there's a big one. You have a big one, the green one. That's a king. They call him the king. The red and green one. Oh, Alicia, you're so good at it. Oh, wow, you got a king on it. Hey, but the king not eating it. It didn't know how to crack open. Yeah, so cool. Oh my, don't move, Alicia. Hi. Whoa, on my GoPro, are you sure? Look at that. You thought this is a bird stand? Huh? Away. Hey, why are you on my mouse? Get away from my mouse.
No way.
Hey, hello, you're on my mouse. Hey buddy, you're on my mouse. Get away from my mouse. That's not a bird stand, that's my GoPro. Okay, so all your activities, you will just go to the Discovery Center as the start point. That's next to the check-in counter. Then they will take your attendance at the Discovery Center. So that's it.
They're going to take them home. So I will be coming and going the whole time. We all look pretty well behaved today, but there are some rules we all have to know before we can get started. The first one, house, and at first it was pretty easy going. They couldn't fly yet, so lots of early morning and late night feedings.
Glider.
Alright guys, so what I have in this nest box,
Sugar glider.
free at spot, it will be taken within the first week or two. That is how competitive the marketplace for good resting hollow is at the moment.
Sleeping.
Hey.
How many are there? 4?
I reckon there's about 6.
So wow, 6.
So I can see 5, and that means
can
there's
see
one on
5?
the very
Wow.
bottom that I likely. Alright guys, this is Alan,
Hi, Alan.
and Alan is a carpet python, that's right.
Carpet
So carpet pythons are probably the...
Not too much.
I don't know why we have shirts with buttons on. Pretty easy problem to solve.
Gentle.
Oh, it's giving you a bit of a smell.
It's okay. Gentle. Okay.
Good work, sweetheart. You're very brave.
Thank you.
How is it?
Soft?
Yeah, it's soft and it's hard. It's soft hard. It's not slimy, it's clean.
Then I saw a lot of worry in the dustbin.
Rubbish in the dustbin.
Talking about snakes, not the rubbish.
It feels like
Something
belt.
Like rocks, like it feels like rocks really.
Oh,
Just
does
soft
it
rocks.
feel like a bag?
was
Like those?
Yeah, it feels like the crocodile skin kind.
Ew.
It's just a lizard. It's just a lizard.
Just yesterday too.
You didn't touch it. It's gentle. Oh,
she's too cute.
Alright, you can have one more guys, and then I'll have to take Alan home.
Nice. Good job.
Good
job.
Very brave.
Okay, this is the Queensland Park and Wildlife Service of the Lamington National Park, which is over here. Yeah. Oh my. Dingoes are dangerous.
Tell the people on your YouTube that Lamington is a really nice place, but we have to take care of it.
Ah,
And
yeah.
there's a lot of people getting onto social media saying that they can actually come here and go to certain areas in the park, and they're doing quite a bit of damage to the
Okay.
swimming holes and
Oh,
areas like
okay.
that.
So there's like swimming holes here that that people are not supposed to go
So
to.
there's no swimming in this national park.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
So they like to go to the falls and the rivers and they start swimming in the rivers, is it? Which is
Yeah,
not
but they're
not
not
supposed to
allowed
be
to.
allowed. Ah, I got
No.
it. Okay.
Yes. That social media is. We're having a big problem in national parks in Queensland, basically because a lot of the people are actually indicating that they're coming here to do things that they're not allowed to do.
Ah, okay.
And they're bringing animals into the park as well too.
Bringing animals?
Yes, like dogs, domestic dogs.
Okay,
and
so in the national park in Queensland, you're not supposed to bring like your dogs in, right?
no dogs whatsoever. Or no
okay.
dogs, no cats, birds that are domestic
Ah, okay.
are
No
not allowed in the
pets.
park itself.
Okay, interesting.
That's good to know that. For somebody who's making YouTube, that's really
Yes.
good to know. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one with the giant stinging tree. So you don't touch this, okay? This is going to be really painful. There's needles on it. Another stinging needles. Okay, so this is the last activity of the day. We are doing the flying fox. So we're going back to the Discovery Center and I think we're going to take a bus to somewhere. I haven't seen the flying fox anywhere. So I think the flying fox may be somewhere in the jungle or you call it a rainforest. So let's go! Oh, this is the toughest part. The toughest part is to walk up the happy hill. You gotta walk up before you can do the flying fox down. It's not easy. You need to carry me golden ticket. Oh my. We're going for a second time. The 360 footage is amazing. Job.